The cameras are fixed to one man, in terrific form and top scorer in the competition. Stay with us on EA TV as he tries for more. Hello and welcome to one of the most recognisable venues in world football, the Estadio Santiago Bernabeu here in Madrid. I'm Derek Ray, and adjacent to me in the commentary box is Stuart Robson. And it's a very important occasion, the second leg of this semi-final. It's Real Madrid facing Manchester City.
Well, Derek, I have to say, Real were brilliant in that first leg. They completely dominated the game, and I just can't see tonight being any different.
Well, he always has to be regarded as a dangerous opponent, so what should we expect to see from him in this game, Stuart?
Well, he's a good all-round player. When he's closing the ball down, he does it at pace. When he's linking up the play, he's good at that. But his real attribute and his threat is when he runs in behind defenders. That's when he's at his most dangerous.
And now they get the ball rolling. And here's the starting 11 for Real Madrid. Thibaut Courtois begins in goal. Carvajal starts with Ferland Mendy in the fullback positions. And operating through the middle in attack today, Karim Benzema. And so the starting 11 for Manchester City. Ederson stands between the posts. Bernardo Silva plays alongside Kevin De Bruyne in the centre of midfield. And the centrepiece of the attack today is Gabriel Jesus. And making his move inside. Body in the way. Really good challenge. Rodri. De Bruyne now. Well, he keeps going. But it fizzles out thanks to that piece of defending. Really good high press. And providing width. A routine save. De Bruyne. Bernardo Silva. Oh, good-looking run. A smart stop here. De Bruyne. And it's still on for him. That is a very fine challenge in difficult circumstances. A chance maybe from the wide position. And a goal! Now they've broken through. 1-0 here.
Well, as you can see, this is absolutely brilliant. He's such a good runner with the ball, and it's a great individual goal. Brilliant from him.
And the aggregate score has a one-sided look about it. 4-0. That's how to rob them of possession. Benzema. And searching for his second, but the keeper equal to the task.
Well, he's looking really lively, isn't he? Every time he gets the ball, he looks a threat.
And a goal here! There it is! They've done it!
Well, as you can see, he gets there first, he makes good contact with the ball and finds the back of the net. That's a decent header.
Difficult to land punches when there's this sort of gulf in quality. 5-0 the aggregate score. Difficult to stop him. Walker just couldn't keep it. Now potential danger. He's allowed his opponent to get past him. Oh, denied by the keeper.
Well, what more can you say? That's goalkeeping at its very best.
Joao Cancelo. On to Silva. Regained possession. Well, this could pose problems for the defenders. And just has to remain calm. And a goal! What a magnificent display! It's such a one-sided contest here.
Well, here it is again, and the pace in which they break forward is devastating. It's so hard to defend against. And then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
And this has become an absolute thrashing. 6-0 is the aggregate score. Incision with the pass from Kevin De Bruyne. Touched onto the woodwork. And in at the second time of asking, but the goalkeeper badly at fault.
Well, as you can see, it's an error from the goalkeeper. You just can't spill it into a dangerous area like that.
So the aggregate score now, 6-1 here. Skipping away. Grealish. Joao Cancelo. Grealish. Full credit. Wonderful stop. And that is that. Half-time here in the Spanish capital. As anticipated, plenty of talking points so far. And now the second half is underway. And it will be a free kick to Real Madrid. A gift for any goalkeeper. How can he take them on and beat them? Gabriel Jesus prepared to fire. Well, in fact, a good but straightforward claim by the keeper. Well, you've got to keep the ball a bit better than that. That's how to blunt the edge of the opposing attack. Takes aim. Oh, really good reflexes and danger averted. And Manchester City will go to their bench. Who can he pick out? Well, no end product. Alert defending. Joao Cancelo. Well, really closing him down. Couldn't keep it. Oh, just wide of the mark. Goal kick.
Well, that never looked like troubling the keeper, did it? But it was worth an effort. A good strike from him.
And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. And it's Gabriel Jesus. And still a chance. And a time for calm on the ball. Tackling and winning the ball to boot. Well, that's a foul, and it sets up a free kick in a dangerous position. Has eyes for goal! Well, he didn't miss by much. Fantastic effort, especially from that sort of range.
Well, it really is a good effort. He's got such good technique. That was a great strike.
A real defensive commitment there. Karim Benzema. Promising looking attack. Long way out this. Well, it turned out to be fairly routine for the keeper in the end. Gabriel Jesus. That's an exquisite pass from Gabriel Jesus. We wondered who was going to win the race. The answer, the goalkeeper. Benzema. And snuffing out the danger. Well, we're inside the final quarter of an hour now. And a little too close to the keeper in the end. De Bruyne. Can he take the chance? And not cleared away properly. Bernardo Silva. It's there for him. And it's a goal here from Bernardo Silva. On aggregate, it is 6-2. Well, no stopping him. Gabriel Jesus. Oh, it's an unbelievable save by Courtois. A change in the offing for City. Playing it in. Oh, a really good header. But the goalkeeper there to cover up. The corner kicks keep on coming. And the short option preferred. Must score. And a goal! He's doubled his total for the day in superb scoring form.
Well, here you can see it again. It's a superb cross, just asking for someone to go and meet it. And the finish is clinical. He just makes it look so easy, doesn't he?
Plenty of work for the scoreboard operators in this tie. 6-3 on aggregate. And that is how to win the ball back from your opponent. Mahrez. The cross is on. But after that fantastic effort, it's gone out for a throw-in. And it's Gabriel Jesus. Can he make it count? Real chance. And still danger here. But no, it's not going to be an opportunity because the flag is up. And he read it well, intercepting it. And that's it. Official now. Real Madrid have made it to the final.
Well, those celebrations...